Hello friends, I am Eldus and this is fourth vlogger. I am traveling through Gujarat. My aim to witness the tallest monument in the world, the Statue of Unity in Gujarat. Statue of Unity is located near Kevadia village in Gujarat. It is about 100 kilometers away from Vadodara, the nearest town. There is a train from Vadodara to Ekdanagar at 5:30 in the morning, which take the travelers to the Statue of Unity. I caught the train from Vadodara and travelled through banana field, cornfield and cotton field. The journey was very much amazing. It is the cheapest means of transport to reach here. I paid 60 rupees to the ticket and reached Ekdanagar about in 2 hours. From Ekdanagar, AC buses are available which take the tourists to the spot. It is a free service. On the way, I could see all around the monument. It is an amazing sight. The combination of nature and man-made environment is exciting. The bank of Narmada, the monument stood proudly. It is the tallest statue in the world. It has 182 meter height. It depicts the Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Here is the ticket counter. The basic ticket is 150 rupees for adult and 90 rupees for children. To go to the observation deck view, 380 rupees for adult and 230 rupees for children. No cash payment or online payment is allowed. One should have credit card or debit card with them. There is lockers also available to keep the baggage of the visitors. There is shaded path for walking the visitors. We have to walk through a large garden to reach the statue. Now we are going to enter the area of Statue of unity. It is a dream project of our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. This is the view of Narmada river. There is travelator which make our move easy. Through the garden, the travelator runs slowly. It is a good experience. Walking through, I reached the main area where the statue can be seen clearly. Here is the main hall and administration offices. It is a well maintained area. The head of statue is shown here. Now it is early morning, so there is only few visitors. There is the head of Sardar Patel is displayed. Many people are taking photos in front of the statue. Behind that, there is a statue of Patel is also shown. This is a large hall and many things are displayed here. The hall is well lighted. Extreme neat and cleanness are maintained here. It is a world-class construction. Through a lift, I reached the observation deck view. This is the viewpoint from where we can see Sagar Sarovar Dam. In the hall, I met some visitors and made a short interaction. He is showing my channel. Now I am going to the outer part. There are many things to see. Many visitors are still taking photos in front of the statue. Now I want to leave the hall. From here I want to go to the nearer of the statue. There are escalators to climb. There is also maintained a small garden. This is the view of the statue from its near. Now I am reaching to the feet of the statue. Here we can compare how huge the statue is. Compare the man with the statue. This is the view from its upper part. Standing here, I was wondering about the construction of the huge monument. Narmada was flowing quietly by bringing a cool breeze to comfort me.